Hello everyone, my name is Yiwei Xu, the CEO of Chinese Railway Construction Company. Welcome to our first quarter board meeting of 2016. Microphone to Qi Fan, the CFO of our company.
Let me introduce the history of our company. Formerly the railway arm of People's Liberation Army, which is founded in 1948, along with China Railway Engineering Corporation and China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation, form the current China Railway Engineering Corporation, aka CRCC, in 2003. Another important event in CRCC history is IPO. In preparation for listing, China Railway Construction Corporation Limited was incorporated in 2007 as a limited company which received most of the assets of the parent company. The company premiered in Shanghai and Hong Kong in February 2008, reaching US dollars 5.7 billion, making the second largest IPO of that year.
Hello, I am the head of Strategy Planning Department. My name is Yu Mei. I will introduce CRCC's mission and general strategies to you. We focus on honesty, creativity, quality, and morality, and our colleagues are all creative and disciplined. Our mission can be concluded as seize the opportunities, ensure the growth, strengthen management system, and reduce the risks. Our company strives to be the leader of Chinese construction industry and one of the most competitive companies in the world. So we are definitely the best partner to work with you.
Hello everyone, I'm Hong Jia, the Chief Information Officer of CRCC, and I'm going to introduce the vision of our company. With a comprehensive industrial chain containing research, planning, survey, design, construction, supervision, maintenance, and operation, CRCC has established its leadership position in railway as well as other transportation systems by providing its clients with one-stop services. Having inherited the tradition and spirits of the company over the past 60 years, CRCC is striding forward towards the goal of becoming the leader in China's construction industry, as well as the most competitive large construction group in the world.
Of CRCC, one of the top 500 companies in the world. I'm talking about the strength of our companies. We have a very good reputation internationally. Since we have won more than 100 project biddings since 2007, and we have won more than 200 National Excellence Prize in China. And also, we possess a very advanced technology in construction to encourage our people to take part in the innovations. We also established a very successful training and study system. And moreover, we have very mature management systems from contract to design to construction. We will keep an eye on every steps and every procedures in construction to ensure it's
the Chief Operation Officer of CRCC. I'll talk about the weaknesses of our company. The first weakness is lack the operationability and the professional level of overseas projects. For example, CRCC won 6 billion Saudi Riyal contract in 2029 to build the first 18 kilometers of the metro in Mecca. However, CRCC is too confident in its ability and miscalculated the cost. A year later, the net loss of the project is turned out to be 4.2 billion RMB. The second aspect of the weakness is the company structure is too bloated and unresponsive. For example, the entertainment fee is over 800 million RMB from 2010 to 2012, ranking the first among Chinese public companies. However, we will make corresponding measures in the future to deal with those weaknesses.
Hi, my name is CC Du. I am a senior construction engineer of the Chinese Railway Construction Company. Our company faces lots of development opportunities. Our current domestic construction projects include high-speed rails, subways, and expressways. Our international opportunity lies mostly in Asia. Middle East and Africa, like Egypt, Libya, Nigeria, and Turkey. For future construction projects, our company plans to branch to overseas markets, especially in Europe. We will also extend our service into real estate and logistic industries. So far, we have over 60 real estate projects in China and domestic logistic services. Also, our company has over 260,000 employees and will also provide over 2 million work positions.
Hey guys, I'm Robin. I'm proud to say I'm one of the construction neighbors of CRCC. I'm going to talk about the T, threat of SWOT analysis. The first threat factor we face is shortage of labor in urban China due to increase of cost of living. Secondly, there are lots of Chinese construction companies and groups in China as our peer competitors. Moreover, as an international company, we have customers in Middle East, Africa, Asia, and South America. There are uncontrollable factors like political issue, religious conflict, terrorism, etc. Furthermore, government restrictions and technological barriers are also factors to be considered. But hey, remember, we're the largest construction company in China. Those won't be big problems.
Chinese railway construction. Our short-term goal is to seek opportunities in railway construction, highway construction, bridge construction, and channel constructions. We want to firmly and successfully process our construction projects within 31 provinces of China. We also want to expand our projects abroad and bring more transportation-related construction and civil projects to other countries. We want to firmly control the quality and safety issues of the current construction, and we seek to successfully bring the current and also future transportation-related projects.
Chief Marketing Officer of the Chinese Railway Construction Company. Over the next 10 years, we plan to broaden our portfolio of construction projects domestically and internationally in scale and complexity. We will continue to lead in building the country's bridges, tunnels, and railways, and further expand into highway, water conservation and hydroelectricity, airport, and housing projects. We are the first Chinese contractor to enter the overseas market, and we will continue off the momentum from the Nigerian railway modernization project to expand to larger international projects. We will create a lasting legacy in the construction industry.
After hearing all the presentations from our board members, you should have a better idea of how this company runs and what we want to achieve in the future. By summarizing all the presentations, we came up with 4 actions to help our company to reach the goals. First of all, we're going to focus on our strengths, which will be dominating the construction market in China and bid for more projects overseas. Secondly, we want to improve our weaknesses by embedding more construction technologies and cooperating with other world-class construction companies. Then, we're going to create more job opportunities in China to benefit the whole society. By the end, we definitely want to bring more profit to our shareholders by achieving all those previous actions. And we want to thank you for watching our board meeting of the first quarter, and looking forward to see you next time.